Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Just a Little Food. Today we'll be making spice rub steak with quinoa salad. First we're going to start off with cooking the quinoa. I have 1/3 cup of quinoa, which I'll place in the boiling water. While that's cooking, I'm going to start preparing the vegetables. I have here 4 carrots chopped up, 1 red onion chopped up, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and 2 crushed garlic cloves. And I'll add 1/3 cup of honey. And 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I'll stir that together. So that's all mixed now, and I will place this in the baking tray. I will place this in the oven for 20 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. So the quinoa is now ready and I'm going to put it to the side. So now I'm going to mix the spices for the steak. I have here 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of sea salt flakes, and 2 teaspoons of peppercorn. Okay, I'll just mix that in with a fork. Okay, now I'm going to rub it into the steak. Okay, so that's done now, and I'm going to start cooking. I've already heated the pan up with olive oil, and I'm just going to put the steaks in. The steaks are ready. I'm just going to place them on the plate to let it rest. Okay, so now everything is ready, and now I'm going to combine everything for the salad. Starting off with the quinoa. I have a bowl of baby spinach and rocket. And now I'm going to put the carrots and the onions in. We'll finish it off with 1/4 cup of pine nuts. And we'll mix that all together. And here is our spice rubbed steak with quinoa salad. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to tune in next week for more recipes, and we'll see you next time. Bye! And baby rocket. So we have a bowl of spinach and baby rocket.
No. It's baby spinach, not baby rocket.
I'll do it again.
Yeah.